Can we make Napolitan pizza, pizza napoletana, at home, in your electric oven? Pizza chefs say you must use the wood fire oven, and I understand why, okay? But what if I don't have the wood fire oven and I want Napolitan pizza? So I want to use my everyday oven and I want to try and make it. So let's see how we go. Guys, before we attempt this, you need to know, we need to respect the pizza napoletana, Napolitan pizza, okay? Pizza napoletana has been around for a very long time, is made by artisans. You need to be an artist to make pizza napoletana, Napolitan pizza, okay? It has rules, as you can see here, that we need to follow, okay? Who knows if I can make it? I'm gonna try it, but you need to understand the Napolitan pizza. It's made by artisan and is the most respected pizza on the planet. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate. Come on guys, let's make Napolitan pizza at home. Hopefully we can make it happen. So today I'm gonna use three options to make pizza napoletana. First option is the classic pizza tray everybody uses. This is a tray with holes, and the holes will help to cook the bottom better. The other option I have is baking paper. We're gonna use baking paper straight on the stone. Third and last option is the pizza stone, and my pizza stone is been warming up in the oven for 1 hour or even more. You want the pizza stone to be extremely hot. So one of the biggest mistakes we make when we cook the pizza in the normal oven is to make the pizza, put the ingredients on top, and basically cook it in the oven. So what happens is your ingredients on top will burn. It takes way too long for the pizza oven to cook, and we don't want that. So how do we do it? First, put this in the oven for at least 20 minutes so we can have the tray very nice and hot. So when we put the pizza on top, it's kind of starting to cook already. Alright, so I have the tray in the oven and I want to start stretching the pizza, okay? Now when we stretch Napolitan pizza, we cannot use a rolling pin. No way we use a rolling pin. So what we do, we're gonna press here in the middle, see? Just like that. So we can stretch the pizza by doing this. We move all the gases towards the outside. So it's very important that you do this. Again, stretch from the middle, just like this, and spread the dough towards the outside. When you get to this point, what you do, you want to stretch it. So what you do is you push, you put it here on your arm, and push. Now when you get to this point, you really want to open your pizza and do the right thing. Pizza napoletana is very delicate. So what I recommend you to do, get a bowl like this. You put the pizza on top. You can actually stretch it like this without ruining the edges. This is one technique that is going to change your life. Here I have it, the pizza napoletana. Now this is a pizza dough, and what we're going to do, see, beautiful, stretch beautifully. We're gonna put it on the hot tray, put the pizza right on top, okay? By doing this, we have the base already cooking. Now I'm going to add the Vincenzo's Plate tomato sauce, of course, only the best. Look, I try not to go on the edges because I want the edges to grow. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes so we can cook the edges at the bottom. See guys, by using the part baking technique, part baked, we managed to grow the cornicione, the edges. I basically want to now add the cheese, and I've got beautiful mozzarella. It's fresh mozzarella, but it's dry. Then what I have here is some nice fresh basil we're going to add, and my special ingredients, which is pecorino cheese. Now what I want to do, I want to put it back in the oven for about 2 more minutes so we cook the pizzas and the edges. I want the edges to become crunchy, okay? But you need to make sure your broiler, your grill, it's already nice and hot, okay? So within 3 minutes, we should be able to have the melting cheese that we want, and we should be able to get the crunchy edges, which are extremely important for a pizza napoletana. I quickly want to turn the pizza on the other side, just because the oven is not cooking evenly, so let's make sure the oven cooks evenly. Oh, look at that beautiful cornicione that we get. And guys, I'm using a normal house oven. Okay guys, after 3 minutes we take it out and this is what we get. See? How good is it? It does look like a pizza napoletana, does it? I think the tray did such a good job and it managed to create a pizza napoletana for us, which is what we wanted. Let's cut it, listen to the sound. Nice. I just want to see the dough. See, look how it is. It did cook very well, I have to say. See guys, when I do something, I don't do it just to have fun. I do it because I want that to be amazing, to be delicious. And I do think this pizza is pretty awesome. Look at that. Look at what's inside. Look at that dough. But we can do better. Anyway, I'm gonna try it. Let me try this piece with more cheese. And I'm pretty sure it tastes nice. Hello. Very moist dough, easy to digest, and cooked almost to perfection. Yum. Alright guys, the next option is to cook it on the baking paper. Let's see if it makes any difference. Alright, let's put the pizza inside. We just want the oven to be flame forced at the maximum temperature. So my oven is 250 degrees Celsius. Some ovens can reach 300 degrees Celsius. That's even better for you. You are as close as the 400 Celsius degrees approved by the Neapolitan Pizza Style Association. Guys, if you allow me, I want to cook this for an extra minute and I just want to turn it around, okay? I just want to turn it around because I'm just worried that maybe this side of the front cooks a bit faster. I just want to make sure the edges cook perfectly. If I'm right, the front edge should grow a little bit more. 1 extra minute and let's see how we go with this pizza. Alright guys, it looks like we can take the pizza out. And look at that. Look at that. Look what we have created. But it's a bit white, you know, it's pale. So not crunchy. The bottom is cooked, but it's not, you know, it's a bit too soft. So same technique like before, but I feel like this dough is reacting better to the oven. Now it's time for us to put ingredients on top. So I'm gonna start this time from pecorino cheese. Now I'm going to add the mozzarella, fresh basil, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, which I didn't put on the previous pizzas. And now we can put it back in the oven, same technique. See guys, I find this pizza fantastic. I'm not choosing the tray, I am choosing the baking paper. I am loving this pizza. And now what do we need to do? We need to test the crunch. Again, the bottom is beautiful. Let's cut it. A bit less crunchy, but look at the dough there. It's different again, I have to say. It's a bit more doughy, a bit more like a bread style, if I can say. See the cooking, it's a bit different from the dough from before. Let's go back to the dough from before and have a look. See, look at this. I have to say, yes, it did cook this a little bit differently. Now, what do we prefer? The doughy bread style, like this one, or the other one? Very, very interesting. Let's try the little part here. Yeah, it's less crunchy. I guess if you want it crunchy, you cook it more on top. I'm really liking this. It's very close, it's much closer to the Napolitan pizza style because the edges of the Napolitan pizza must be high, just like this. And like, yeah, doughy, see? This is the moment I've been waiting for. The pizza stone. I think it's gonna be the best one, but who knows? Let's see. All right guys, the pizza stone is being in the oven for 1 hour. It should be very hot and it's at fan forced. I want the stone to be extremely hot, so when I put the pizza on, it will start cooking straight away. Okay guys, we have a very little time right now because the stone is extremely hot and I don't want this to be out of the oven, okay? So let's put a pizza right on top. This will start cooking right away. I can already smell the dough cooking. So let's put this sauce on top. Can you see the steam? Can you see the bubble? Can you see how the pizza is moving here? See the reaction? Look at the reaction of the pizza here. It's already telling me I'm cooking at the bottom, my friend. Put me in the oven. And that's what I'm about to do right now. Straight in the oven, right now. The reason why we can't wait any longer is because the function of a pizza oven is the wood fire oven technique. And if we are waiting too long, we're not allowing the base of a stone to cook the bottom properly. I want to have, not a burn, but you know, I want to have a little bit of brown, a little bit of black at the bottom, like the wood fire oven. I want to see the bottom a little bit burn, you know, like the Napolitan style pizza. I want to get that effect. As you can see from the stone, the dough is rising faster and evenly. Look at the edges. Okay guys, what we really need to do now is to take our oven out quickly and put ingredients on top, straight from the oven. At the same time guys, make sure you turn the grill on. The broiler should be back on at this time. Basil, guys, pecorino cheese, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and back in the oven with the broiler on for 2-3 more minutes. And it's time again to take it out, just before the cheese burns. I don't want the cheese to burn. Now to take it out, I'm gonna help myself with a chopping board, and I put it right on top. So I can put the stone back in so we can make more pizzas. And here it is, my Napolitan pizza done on the stone. Let's review it. The edges are crunchy. Yes, this is the crunch. Nice bounce back. I like that, that's the way it should be. A bit more brown than it should have been. It cooked a bit faster than the other ones. Nicer color. And it's not bad for an oven, for a normal oven. The cheese melted beautifully. The bottom part, let's see at the bottom. Let's see how the bottom is. Yeah, we got a beautiful look. It's not really brown the way I wanted, but it is cooked beautifully. Much better than the other two. The crunch is what I love already. I'm really loving the crunch. Look at that. Look at the dough. It's very similar to the one cooked on the tray. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. It's the same dough, guys. Same dough. Look, it didn't grow as much. Look at this one. It didn't grow as much as the other one, to be honest. But look at the inside. I already like the fact that it flips this way. The other pizzas didn't do that much. Look at this one. Similar, as close to a Napolitan pizza. We fold it just like this, like a Napolitan pizza, and we eat it. Guys, it is the winner. It is the winner. The combination of the San Marzano tomato, the mozzarella, the crunch. I picked this one, guys, and but I have a surprise. It's beautiful. But you know what? This pizza makes me think. I want to do an extra one. A bonus pizza for you. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use baking paper. I'm going to use a stone. I'm going to use the broiler, the grill, and flame force at the same time. No part bake. I'm going to try and cook these babies with ingredients on top in less than 2 minutes. Do you think the oven can do it? Come on, it's the last test of the day. Let's see what the oven and the stone are capable of. Alright guys, it's been about 3 minutes, and I think you do need more than 2 minutes, but it's not done yet. Not done yet. The ingredients are a little bit cooked, but let's try 1 more minute. Let's try and do 1 more minute to see if it works. 1 more minute should be enough. So we might be able to do this pizza napoletana in 4 minutes time. Hopefully the ingredients are not going to burn. Let's see what we were able to create. All Alright, well, the melting cheese is what I didn't want. You know, this is 2020, and in my opinion, it's not acceptable anymore to have burnt cheese on top. You know, we know more than that. So I'm not happy about the melting cheese. But if you look at the dough, it's pretty good. Like, I'm very happy with the dough. It's crunchy, but it's soft. And the outside, it's pretty good. I'm pretty sure the bottom is good. Let's have a look. A bit hot, but the bottom looks very good to me. Let's have a look again. Yeah, the bottom looks great. I'm just not happy about the melting cheese. So if the oven was a little bit more, a bit stronger, maybe we would have been able to do it in less than 2 minutes. But it took 4 minutes, and it's not what I want. All right, the tasting now. It's not crunchy on this side. Not crunchy. Yeah, no, looks, it's pretty good pizza. Just want to avoid that melting cheese. It's pretty good. Look at the edges. It's a bit hot. Look how beautiful the edges are. Ooh, great edges. We did a very good job. I think the oven is pretty awesome. I think the oven can do more than this. But you know me by now, so you know what I'm going to say. I really love the cornicione. I think this is the best cornicione of the day. Out of the 4 pizzas, this has the best cornicione. Let's see. Surprisingly cooked to perfection at the bottom. I am surprised, but by far, wow, it is the best bottom I've tried today. The edges. All right, let's try the edges. Let's see if it is better. Let's see. Wow. 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 In a way, this is lighter as a pizza. The cheese melting on top, you know, the burnt, I can't really taste the burnt, but I don't have the same feeling like before. It's not the same experience when you have a freshly melted cheese, half melt, half fresh, but definitely this one is in the top 2. What is the other one? Is it the stone or is it the baking paper? I think it's the stone. What do you think? So guys, it is important that I let you know what I've made today is not Napoletan pizza, not pizza Napoletana. Pizza Napoletana can only be cooked in the wood fire oven. You know, there are lots of rules in the pizza Napoletana making process. The fermentation, the maturation, the way you make the dough is, you know, it's very, very important. The type of flour that you use, the way you cook it. Now, to cook Napoletan pizza, you need to use a wood fire oven that allows you to cook the pizza between 60 seconds to 90 seconds at 480 Celsius degrees. If you cook your pizza for 91 seconds, well, that can't be called pizza Napoletana anymore. That's not how the Napoletan pizza is made. So, what have I done today? Well, today I have made a Napoletan pizza style at home. Just because if you don't have the wood fire oven, but you still want to have fun trying to make this pizza, yes, you can. It's not gonna be the authentic version. It's not gonna be the same experience you get from the wood fire oven. But we can say it is Napoletan style. But don't forget, we need to respect pizza chefs. We need to respect the people who work in the industry and work very hard in order to make the perfect Napoletan pizza, okay? So let's not spread the wrong information out there. You need to know this pizza we just made, it was fun to make, and it is fun and enjoyable, okay? But lots of respect for the authenticity of this Napoletan pizza. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Look at that. Look at this dough. Look at this.